A lot of people, when they think of 3D printers, they're thinking of plastic ones that lay down one layer at a time. I'm Mallory Johnston, and I help 3D print habitats out of concrete using Martian or lunar simulant. Before this, I worked on the 3D printer that went to the space station. The Additive Construction with Mobile Emplacement, or we call ACME, project has a goal of being able to 3D print using in situ materials. This is Martian simulant. If we can use the in situ materials that are available, then you don't have to ship those materials to your location. Different mixtures with different curing times and different temperatures. It's really important to me to feel like I'm making an impact. We've been working with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, making it as autonomous as possible. And some other possibilities for this type of technology could be FEMA for disaster relief. It's really exciting to be able to work on this kind of technology that can help people on Earth.